everyone, Erin here from Luxe Fifth Wheels, and welcome back to our follow series where we're continuing to follow the Luxe 33EFS down the line of production. If you've missed any of our previous stations, I highly recommend popping over to watch those first. We'll have them linked in the description below, because today we're talking all about roof construction, and this is another area where we truly set ourselves apart. Here at Luxe, we use a Weldum aluminum truss-based 16 inches on center with double trusses at multiple intervals for strength. Now, most other RV manufacturers space their trusses every 24 inches. It's kind of standard. It's to help save on weight, but the wider spacing comes at an expense of rigidity. Our 16-inch spacing creates a more stable roof, and it's truly walkable. I have been there on many of our units on the roof gathering content, and the structural confidence matters. Once the truss system is in place, we install marine grade plywood decking, and after that we use the same astrofoil insulation you've already seen in our flooring systems, followed by a residential fiberglass insulation. This layered approach allows us to properly install wiring, ductwork, and return air systems while still maintaining full serviceability. For those components, it's something extremely important for long-term ownership. Now, let's talk about common industry comparisons, the laminated roof system. A laminated roof is essentially a sandwiched, high-density block foam insulation bonded to an interior ceiling panel and an exterior substrate. While this method can be lighter in weight, it comes with its own set of issues, especially delamination. Laminated roofs also have a non-serviceable core, meaning if something goes wrong, you're often looking at replacing a roof section or even the entire roof. Our roofing structure is intentionally designed with the focus on moisture resistance, thermal performance, and serviceability. Now, we're going to talk about the half-inch marine-grade plywood ceiling, which is screwed and glued using a flexible polyurethane sealant. That flexibility is key. It allows for natural movement without compromising the integrity of our roof system. And to finish it all off, our team installs a Superflex TPO roofing membrane, which comes with a lifetime warranty. The Superflex TPO offers advantages over traditional EPDM rubber roofing. It has a higher tear resistance, better long-term durability, and a lighter maintenance, only requiring periodic seal checks and simple cleaning methods. When you step back and look at our full system, our roof is built for durability, climate control, true four-season living, and long-term serviceability. It's not just about going through the warranty period, it's about building a fifth wheel that holds up for years of real-world use. Thank you so much for joining me at this station in the Luxe 33EFS follow series. We'll keep moving along as this coach goes down the line of production, and I'll see you at the next station. Until then,